Published, 1636, the 7th of February 2019. Peter Walsh, A Greater Anglia Train. Picture, Sonya, Duncan, ARCHANT. Eastern Daily Press 01603-772-434. Extra trains are being put on for fans heading to the East Anglian Derby on Sunday. They are 9:12 a.m. Ipswich to Norwich, calling at Stowmarket, arriving at 9:57 a.m. 9:20 a.m. Lowestoft to Norwich, calling at Oulton Broad North, Somerleyton, Haddiscoe, Reedham, Cantley and Brundall, arriving at 10:09 a.m. 9:59 a.m. Ipswich to Norwich, calling Stowmarket, arriving at 10:50 a.m. 10:10 a.m. Thetford to Norwich, calling at Attleborough and Wymondham, arriving at 10:46 am. 2:33 p.m. Norwich to Ipswich, calling at Stowmarket, arriving 3:15 p.m. 2:24 p.m. Norwich to Thetford, calling at Wymondham and Attleborough, arriving 3:02 p.m. 2:42 p.m. Norwich to Ipswich, calling at Stowmarket, arriving 3:33 p.m.